students, what we are going to see today, that is if the distance between earth and sun increase to 3 times, then the force of attraction between them will, first option is remains constant, second is decrease by 63%, third is decrease by 83%, and fourth is decrease by 89%. So we know that gravitational force is equal to capital G into m1 into m2 divided by r square, where force is inversely proportional to square of distance between the two objects. It means that if we increase force, then the distance decreases, and if we increase distance, then the force decreases, and here the distance is increasing. So the first option is increase with uh, first option is incorrect, which is remains constant. This is not true, and all the remaining three options are saying that decrease by 63% and decrease by 83% and decrease by 89%. So we will have to calculate the percentage decrease. So let us have a look here that we can say that the force of attraction between sun and earth is capital G into mass of earth into mass of sun divided by r square. We can say that, but here the distance is increased to 3 times. It means that f dash is equal to G into mass of earth into mass of sun divided by 9 r square. And you will observe that this is the force of attraction between sun and earth. This is the force of attraction between sun and earth. So we can say that the f dash is equal to f by 9. We can say that f dash is equal to f by 9. Now in order to calculate the percentage change, we have to subtract firstly f dash minus f, then divide it by f, and then multiply it by 100. So let us have a look here that f dash is equal to f by 9 minus f divided by f into 100, and LCM will be equal to 9, and f minus 9f by f into 100. Now we will calculate here that minus 8 f by 9 into 1 by f into 100. So, and here the negative sign shows that the force is decreasing. So in option it is already given that decreasing and decreasing. So we will not keep this sign, negative sign here, and by dividing it we will get the answer 88.888 and dot and according to option we can say that the fourth option is correct, which is decrease by 89%. So the option number fourth is correct. So we will meet in again in next video. Goodbye.